What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna be working on the Evo. Parts came in today, and yeah, I'm ready to get them put on. But before we get into that, if you haven't checked out the last video, make sure you go look at that and see the new toy that we got for the channel. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. But I already unboxed the parts because I'm just ready to get it on. But we are changing up the interior a little bit. We got a new steering wheel. I'm about to show you guys that. Guys over at D&D sent me a steering wheel. The packaging is great. Try to get it out. Alcantara. I went with the gray stripe because if you don't know, my car is silver under the wrap. I was considering the purple, but I'm like, nah, I think the gray will probably go way better. But yeah, it's definitely good quality. It's the first time I got a aftermarket steering wheel, so I'm eager to see how it is in the car. Got that. Then we got the NRG short hub. It ain't really much to that, that's all it is. I didn't get a quick release because I want to see how it is in the car first to see if it's too far back or what, because I don't plan on taking the steering wheel in and out. I know some people just get it just because, but I seen a couple other people with Evos, they mount it straight to the hub, and I think that looks cool as well. So we're gonna see how that is, and then I'll determine if I'm gonna get the quick release, because I don't have no use for it. I don't have a cage or anything where I need to take the wheel off in order to get out the car. I can get in the car fine. So yeah, but those are the new parts that we got. We bought the disconnected battery, and then we're gonna start taking it off, the old steering wheel off, and then I'm gonna pick the video back up. All right, so we got the steering wheel off. All you gotta do is just take this nut off right there, unplug two little clips, and then it's off like that. But of course, in the process of doing that, as you can see, I messed up the clock spring, so got the other one, and then we're gonna get that swapped out, and then we're gonna pick the video back up. All right, so we got the hub on there, got the clock spring changed out, got the wires ran. The only thing left we gotta do is throw the wheel on and make sure everything's straight, no lights or anything like that. But don't mind the noise back there. That's my dad, he blowing leaves. He always wanna do something when I'm out here working on the car. But it's all right, still got it done anyway. Got the hub on. I like the quality of it. It's different from what I'm used to, but we're gonna see how it is. Got the wheel all ready to be installed. Shout out to D&D again and NRG. They looked out. And yeah, we're gonna get it in there. I was trying to beat the dark because the time did just change, but we got it in. It looks good. Let me know what you guys think. I definitely like the feel. I'm glad I didn't go with the quick release to move it out farther because my arm's long anyway, so I don't really need the extra. But yeah, let's get this cold start. Oh yeah, those lights that's on the dash, those always been there. So, but other than that, that's ain't no other lights on. The reason those lights are on is because I think it's the ABS pump. Like something's going on with that. It's the lights go on and off. So still haven't figured out what is the reason why. But yeah, and then of course the service engine one, that one comes on and off all the time. So so here it is the next day. I didn't get to finish the video off yesterday because of course the GoPro died, but that's all right. But let me know what you guys think of the steering wheel, if you guys like it or not. I know it's definitely different for me, but I think it's a good part to add if you want to switch up the interior, just make it look different. But make sure you guys drop a like, comment, subscribe. Make sure stay tuned for the videos that's coming up because I'm dropping them back to back. So make sure you guys lock in for that. And then, yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.